So, good evening, guys. I bought a 3-in-1 tripod, which is a ring light, 10 inches ring light. I bought it on Amazon, and it's supposed to be 10 inches ring light, a selfie stick, and a tripod. I will be unwrapping my package today and assembling my tripod, and I thought it would be a good idea if we actually did it together, just in case someone else out there might buy the same one, and so this video might be helpful. So I'm not sure what to expect yet, how difficult it's gonna be. I will try my best to read the instructions and come along with me. So I ripped this box open. So it came into this big box from Amazon, and then there is another box within that big box. The name is AiXPI. There you can see a 10-inch LED ring light. And so I can put this box one side and open this one. Okay, so inside this box I've got a instruction manual. I've got this, which looks like the base of the tripod, so that goes there beside me on the floor. I'm just looking for all the parts. A Bluetooth remote control, and empty. I've got one of these and one of these. They actually seem like the same thing, but one is a lot bigger than the other. There's a ball inside, so I was just checking what's going on with this ball. I think the ball is for rotation. There's also a ball inside the smaller one, so obviously it's also for rotation. Then you've got this bit, and this should be the ring light. I hope it's not broken. This is the ring light, and it's also got setting on it, settings, which is up and down and on, off. Not sure what the other button is for, but we'll find out, I guess. So yeah, so everything seems to be intact. So let me just check if I've got everything that I actually need in this packet. And that's the product list for this package. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, which is 1, 2, 3, Okay, so they count this, and this is counted as one. This bit and this bit is counted as one piece. So I guess they're supposed to be together. So if you happen to have them separated like mine, I think you should actually put them together. There is a screw in this bit and a hole in this bit where I think you screw it on like that. It's not screwing, is it? It's not getting, oh yeah, it's actually getting tighter. Yeah. So this would be my 5 pieces. So 1, 2, 3. The remote control. I think this is the phone holder and the ring light. So let's give it a go. Put all this mess around. Okay. So prepare tripod and turn the screw counterclockwise to loosen the screw. Which screw is that? This screw. Okay, so if this is to actually tighten tripod. So this screw actually adjusts the tripod for it not to get too low or too high, but to the right length or height that you want your ring light to be. So this is the screw on the side there that you set this area in whatever position you want it, and then you tighten the screw to keep it together firmly. Yeah, so I'm just gonna place this right here beside me and see what happens next. Turn the screw clockwise to secure the tripod, which is what I've just done, and then pull the holder up first, then rotate the holder to fix. Okay, so this is the holder. They show me this as the holder. So you pull the holder up first, and extend it to get the height that we want. So for today, we'll do the full height. So we lock it in this position anti-clockwise, and it's quite tall, I must say. I'm quite pleased with the height. So it's quite tall, it's quite, yeah. Sorry, I'm doing this video by myself, so I can't show you the full height, you know, but I guess you can still see it. See? Yeah. Let's do this. So the next bit we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare the quarter ball head and the mobile phone clip. So the quarter ball head seems like the smaller of the two I showed you before. Let's try that one. I'm not quite sure, but we'll try the smaller one first. So we got that, and then we got the phone clip. Okay, we now attach these together, and there's a hole in this area, and then there is the screw to attach it. Yeah, and then you attach it together, attach it together, attach it together, attach. So what's next? Now that I've done that, then I loosen the bottom screw and have a certain gap for easy installation on the ring light, which is this area at the bottom here. So you have to, look, you have to screw this area until it becomes loose. This will where the you slot your ring light in this area. So I guess the ring light is next. Yep. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Don't be impatient now. Okay. This area of the ring light. Can you see? There's a groove in it, and that's where you're gonna do a slot in. So I guess it's like this way. Well, this bit is now completed. So you want to have a look at it and see exactly how this is supposed to look once it's fitted and it's slot inside this area. Okay? So now the next bit that we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this, the second one, to the selfie stick. So now we have attached this, they have a name for it actually, the ball head. As I said before, remember we started out with 2 ball heads. One ball head is attached to this, and then you attach the phone holder to the ball head. And now we've attached the second ball head to the selfie stick. Yeah? And then we will attach the ring light. We'll try to attach this ring light. Maybe I should have done it before because there's a rotation ball. Oh. Okay, anyway, we attach it to this. Yeah, well, just want to get it. This is so difficult to do it on your own. So now we have to tighten the screw to keep it firmly. Yeah. So I think this is the best I can do. So now what it looks like with the mobile phone on it, and then I guess I'll have to plug it in as well to make sure it's working. Put a phone in the phone holder. Brilliant. But I think it would be a bit higher, but for the phone, but it's not. So you can actually see the height of it because it's taller than I am, or it's because I'm a shorty. I'm not my ring light. So now I'm gonna press the on, which is the bottom red button. Voila! And then let's see what the other one does. It says minus, so I guess it's to dim the light. Yeah, it's doing something. Yeah, and that's the other one. So this one I'm not quite sure what it does. The third one up, not quite sure what it does. Oh, we changed the light shades. Hello, I guess I've done it. And then we have one final setting on it, which is to increase the lighting. So we've got the one to turn it on and off. There you go. And then we've got the one to dim the brightness. And then we've got one to change the setting. I think we've got 3. So this is to change the lighting on it. And then this one is to increase the brightness. Can you see that? Yeah. And then you minimize Yeah, and we've got 1. Let's 1, 2, 3. 3. Why you laughing at me? Anyway, guys, love you all, and I hope you you got something from this video and it was helpful. Yeah, thank you for your time. Bye.
Bye.